So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Unboxing Jet. I am your friend Sam, and today we will talk about that how to watch The Boys Season 2 without Amazon Prime for free, so let's get started. So here you can see 6 links on the screen. Currently you can download only 3 episodes as the rest hasn't arrived yet. You can download them in 480p or 720p, it depends upon you. So you have to just copy the links from the description and paste it in your browser search. Now you can see an ad on your screen. Deny the notification pop-up. Then press the skip ad button. The second tab will open. Don't forget to allow the notification this time, otherwise the downloading will not work. You can see that the downloading started instantly. A new episode will be releasing every Friday, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the downloading link every time a new episode arrives. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check out our channel.